Welcome back to my channel, my dear lovely viewers. For those who have been on my channel, irrespective of this update, they know it's something that happened daily. MOTOKOIN on ICP has been one of the talk of the town, and hopefully you watch this video as early as possible. Though the claim for today has ended, but there's always daily claim until the total supply of 21 million will be claimed. So far we still have like 1 million plus left. So hopefully tomorrow very early in the morning, it mostly starts around 2 a.m. to around 7 a.m. Make sure you try as much as possible to claim. So how to go about claiming, what you need to do, for those who are in my channel, this is the link you need to claim. I dropped it earlier yesterday, day before yesterday, and I've dropped again today. So this is the guide. All you need to do is to click on this copy. For those who are not in my channel, I'll drop a link to my WhatsApp channel in the video description section, and I'll also drop a link for this claim in the video description section for those who are not interested in joining the channel. So here I would go ahead to open, so you can see the MOTOKOINS here, the one I claimed. So all you need to do when you want to claim, you come here, you open the tabs, as paste the link. Once you paste the link, it will pop up something like this. It will be coming up with ads, especially if you're using iOS, you see a lot of ads. But if you're using Android, you might not even see one pop up. So this is iOS actually. Then you click on this, click me. Luckily there was no much ads. There's no much ads at the moment, so that's good for us. So here, as you can see, it will unlock. We'll wait for the unlock, so you click close. So after tapping on all those click me and clicking close, you scroll down. You see a part where they said airdrops has been claimed. Okay, you see where they said you have already claimed your airdrop. In that particular place, you see a place for imputing your principal address, and a place for imputing email address. And what you need to do, what you now need to do is you need to do, that's the ad. I'm telling you, too many ads. So as you can see here, I can now come back tomorrow, check if I still have anything I can claim. But for now, for those who are yet to claim, you might not be able to claim today, it might be tomorrow. But what you just need to know is how to go about the claim. All you need is an ICP wallet, ICPswapWallet, Stoic wallet, whichever one of your choice, but I'm using plugwallet. So here, what you need to do, once you see the principal address and the email, you go to your home page, click on this principal ID is what you need. Principal, I repeat, principal ID. You can just tap on this principal ID, it will copy, or you click on deposit, then you click these two boxes in front of principal ID. That's what you need. So after claiming this, go back to the page. Then where you see the principal ID box, you paste it there. Then you input email address of your choice. Then you click claim airdrop. And that's all you need to do. Once you claim the airdrop, you might not see these MOTOKOINS in your wallet. For those complaining, how do I go about it? I can't see it in my wallet, blah, blah, blah. All you need to do is just come here. Once you come to this, go to your manage, go to manage wallet, which is this at the bottom. Just search MOTOKOIN, then it will be toggled off. But once you come here, you toggle it on. Once you toggle it on, it will show in your wallet. So you see the value of the token. Though it doesn't have liquidity at the moment, from what I've checked, I've not seen anywhere it's trading yet. So wow, the BGB is trading at 6.49. Wow, interesting. So that's actually how it is, how it works. So thank you very much for watching the video. If there is any updates, I'll be dropping it in my WhatsApp channel. Once it's time for new claim tomorrow, I'll drop it in my channel. For those who are there, they will see it, and for those who are not, I don't know, maybe you can just join the channel now so that you don't miss. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and don't forget to like.